Today we'll discuss about the topic Laplace transformation. Transformation is a useful topic. That is the French mathematician Pierre-Simon Laplace 1749 से 1827 तक वो था. वो फर्स्ट वो डेवलप्ड Pierre-Simon Laplace. According to that name, the Laplace transformation form. So systematically developed after some time by the British physicist Oliver Heaviside 1850 से 1925 के बीच में to simplify the study of many differential equations that describe physical processes. First of all, we have to know about why we study Laplace transformation. ये किस लिए हम पढ़ेंगे, क्या जरूरत है? So that first of all we have to discuss. First of all, why does the Laplace transform work? Why we study Laplace transform? For the purpose of a transform is to transfer ordinary differential equation into algebraic equations. So which makes easier to solve ordinary differential equations. The Laplace transform is a generalized Fourier transform since it allows to obtain transfers of functions that have no Fourier transform. So this is the purpose of Laplace transformation. This is the purpose. Actually, the Laplace is the teacher to the Napoleon, which is actually in the also called the Newton of in French. So they derived that concept for easier purpose. Why? For easier to solve the ordinary differential equation. That is the main concept. So now we'll study about the Laplace transformation. So now Laplace transformation, the definition क्या है, उनका explanation क्या है, किसी process में वो काम होता है, हम इसको बताएंगे. That is the process. First T space, then LT space, then S space. That is image space. Means what? First ordinary differential equation and some initial conditions. From that you have to convert that is into Laplace transformation. After that the algebraic or subsidiary equation will you get. So then auxiliary equation to then solution of auxiliary equation by manipulation, algebraic simple algebraic pure manipulation से हमको मिल गया. After that हमको inverse Laplace transformation मिलेगा. Then inverse Laplace transformation से फिर particular solutions और PS of a differential equation हमको मिल गया. Particular solution of a differential equation. Then particular solution of a differential equation से फिर हमको ordinary differential equation और initial conditions सब मिल जाएगा. That means this is the circular concept of a Laplace transformation. In this way we can solve. First of all you have to take that the ordinary differential equation, then convert Laplace transformation, then the auxiliary equation, then solution, then comes to the inverse Laplace transformation, then particular solution, then come back to the ordinary differential equations and initial some conditions. That is the cyclic concept of a three system. That is a T space, LT space, S space, all image space. Then come to the definition of a Laplace transformation. What do you mean by Laplace transformation? Then what is the exact definition of Laplace transformation? Definition of a Laplace transformation. What is the definition? Let ft be the given function. Ft is a function which defined for all t is greater than, that condition t is always greater than equal to 0. Laplace transformation of ft, Laplace transform of the ft function denoted by what? Now L of ft 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt is equal to f of s, where L is known as Laplace transform operators. Ft is a determining function depends on t. and fs is a generating function which depends on s. That is the definition of a Laplace transformation. How do you use Laplace transformation? How do you use Laplace transformation? The Laplace transformation can be used to solve differential equation using a 4-step process. Take the step, the Laplace transformation of the differential equation, use the derivative property, and as necessary, put initial condition into the equation, resulting equation, and then solve the output variables. Solve the output variables. That way we can find that is the Laplace transformation. Basically, different properties are also there. Properties what? One is linearity, another derivative, another is the frequency domain integration and multiplication and convolutions and complex conjugations and cross convolutions, periodic function and initial value concept, another finite value concept. So different concepts are there. So some differential equation suppose given, by using that is apply in electrical system also, mechanical system also, in different sector we can use. So Laplace transformation is a very essential in our electronics age. So many convolutions are also for signal purpose also. So first of all, we have to find some small function. How to find out in the small function, that is suppose constant function, suppose 1, suppose 0, suppose 2, suppose t. So small function का कैसे लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हम निकाल सकते हैं, हम देखेंगे. इतना ही फास्ट हम शुरू करेंगे. आफ्टर now you take the constant value, that is k. Here ft is equal to k given. So k is a constant and t is greater than 0. So according to the function, you know that very well, Laplace of ft, the formula is there. So what the formula? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. This is the formula. By using this formula, you have to find out the Laplace value. Here Laplace transformation value. Here ft value, that is k, is given. Here ft value you have to put in k here. So after putting that value, the k is a constant here, so taking common. So 0 to infinity e to the minus st dt. So k, this integration value is equal to e to the power minus st by s. So k is a common, 0 to infinity the upper limit minus lower limit, that is value comes what? Now e to the power infinity value, that is 0. So that's why only come k into 1 by s. How? You have to take, that is k into e to the power minus infinity by minus s minus e to the power 0 by minus s. So what value comes? Here k into 0, this is plus 1 by s, this value comes, so k by s. Here k into 1 by s, that's why k by s. Here s is greater than 0. So says that is useful or not. So similarly, if the ft is given 1, then what will you do? If ft is equal to 2, then what will do? Then ft is equal to t, then what will do? If ft is equal to t square, then what will do? If ft is equal to e to the power t, then what will do? By using different function, we have to find out the Laplace transformation. Next the question, if ft is equal to 1, then what? That is here if ft is equal to 1, same way that is you have to put that is 0 to infinity e to the power minus st into 1 dt. That is simply e to the power minus st by e minus a 0 to infinity. That means 0 plus 1 by s. That result comes 1 by s. So Laplace of 1, what value come? That is equal to 1 by s. That is equal to 1 by s. That means if ft is equal to t, then what will do? Here answer will come how? So L of ft, that is here L of t, that is here e to the power minus st into t dt, 0 to infinity. That is by parts. What value come? T into e to the power minus st by minus s. That is 0 to infinity minus. Same concept will come with respect to concept. That means e to the power minus st by minus s ये dt integration 0 to infinity. This value comes. That is by using by part, we can find out the value. That means this value comes 0, this is plus 1, this integration value is equal to 1 by s into 1 by s. So that's why 1 by s square value comes. 1 by s square value. That means Laplace of t is equal to 1 by s square. 1 by s square. Similarly, Laplace of t square value is what? Similar Laplace of t square value is equal Laplace of ft is equal Laplace of t square. That is a 0 to infinity e to the minus st into t square dt. That means we can say t square into e to the power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity minus e to the power minus st by minus s into 2t dt 0 to infinity. In that way we can find out the value. That means what value comes? Simple, that is 2 का factorial divided by x to the power 2 plus 1. X to the power 2 plus 1. This is the result. That means you can say 2 by s to the power 3. In same way we can find out t to the power n suppose होगा तो उनका वैल्यू कैसे मिलेगा. तो Laplace transform का same process you can find out the t to the power n value. Similarly here t to the power n suppose given Laplace of ft L of t to the power n 0 to infinity to minus st into t to the power n dt. That same way that is a by parts method you applied, e to the power n into e to the power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity minus this is e to the power minus st by minus s n into t to the power n minus 1 dt. So this value is equal to 0. This is n by s 0 to infinity to the minus st t to the power n minus 1 dt. This is a Laplace value. Laplace of t to the power n minus 1, then n minus n divided by s. Same way we can find out here repeatedly the value comes is equal to n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. This way you can. Suppose here n to the power n minus 1 mila, in next space n to the power n minus t to the power n minus 2 sorry n minus 2 मिलेगा. So similarly next space t to the power n minus 3 मिलेगा. So in that time n into n minus 1 into बढ़ते जाएगा. जैसे हम बता देता हूँ. देखो n minus n by s इधर n minus 1 by s मिलेगा. Similarly ये Laplace of t to the power n minus 2 आएगा. n minus 2 आएगा. That means here n factorial होगा, here n factorial होगा. So n into n minus 1 dot 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 up to 1 तक जाएगा. Here s into s into s into s मल्टीप्लीकेशन होके जाएगा. इधर ऐसे होने से वो लास्ट तक हमको मिल जाएगा इतना, लास्ट तक हमको मिल जाएगा. तो इस वे में हम फॉलो करेंगे तो रिजल्ट हमको मिलेगा, रिजल्ट हमको मिल जाएगा. तो कितना मिलेगा? n फैक्टोरियल बाय s to the power n plus 1 means Laplace of t to the power n is equal to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. This is the Laplace का t to the power n का Laplace value. Suppose question दिया है ft is equal to e to the power t. So Laplace of ft is equal to Laplace of e to the power t, that is e to the power minus st into e to the power ft dt. So that's why you have to find out in this way. That means here 0 to infinity e to the power minus s minus aat dt. इनका इंटीग्रेशन हमको मिलेगा कितना ना, e माइनस e to the power minus a t here divided by minus s minus a 0 to infinity, इतना मिलेगा हमको. इसका मतलब हमको वैल्यू आएगा 0 माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 बाई s माइनस s आएगा, मीन्स 1 बाई s माइनस a रिजल्ट होगा, 1 बाई s माइनस a का रिजल्ट होगा. Here also ft is equal to t to the power n, Laplace of ft is equal to Laplace of t to the power n. This is also gamma function. By using that gamma function you can find out that what the value na n factorial by s to the power n plus 1 you can get. So here s greater than 0, n plus 1 is greater than 0. Gamma function is equal to what? Gamma of alpha is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power alpha minus 1 dt. This is the gamma function. Similarly, you have to find out if t to the power half. Here ft is equal to t to the power half suppose given. So LFT is equal to L of t to the power half. That means according to gamma concept, so gamma of what 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s to the power half plus 1. That means gamma of 3 by 2 divided by s of 3 by 2. That means this also comes half of gamma of half whole divided by s of 3 by 2. So we know that gamma of half is equal to root pi whole divided by s to the power 3 by 2. This is the gamma of pi. That's why we know that gamma of 1 by 2 value that is equal to root pi. So now t to the power half का Laplace value कितना, that is the root of pi by twice of s to the power 3 by 2. S to the power 3 by 2. This is the t to the power half का value Laplace. Suppose question given ft is equal to t to the power minus half. So LFT is equal to L of t to the power minus half. So that's why gamma, using gamma function, gamma of minus half plus 1 by s of half minus half. This is minus half plus 1. So this value comes gamma of half. This is the gamma of half by s of half. So gamma of half का value कितना? That is equal to root pi by half. Similarly, that is L of gamma of half is equal to, that is root pi by s to the power 1 by 2. This is the Laplace of t to the power minus, or you can say also this is equal to root over of pi by s. Simple. Root over of pi by s. This is very simple. Suppose ft is equal to cos at का लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालने के लिए दिया है, क्या करेंगे ना, उसको e टू द पावर माइनस e टू द पावर आई ए टी प्लस e टू द पावर माइनस आई ए टी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 लिखेंगे। इसका मतलब है लाप्लास ऑफ cos ए टी इज इक्वल टू लाप्लास ऑफ cos एटी का वैल्यू कितना, 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e टू द पावर माइनस एस टी cos at dt. In the place of cos at, you have to put 0 to infinity e to the power minus at e to the power I at plus e to the power minus at divided by 2 dt, which is equal to e to the power, that is 0 to infinity e to the power minus st. माइनस एस हाफ बाहर ले आए तो इधर हो जाएगा आई ए टी प्लस ई टू द पावर माइनस एस टी माइनस आई ए टी डी टी हो गया। इसका मतलब हम लिख सकते 0 टू इन्फिनिटी ई टू द पावर माइनस एस कॉमन, माइनस कॉमन लेने से हमको मिल रहे कितना, एस माइनस आई ए टी डी टी एक है, प्लस ई टू द माइनस कॉमन लेने से एस प्लस आई ए टी डी टी इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी, इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी इज इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा हमको ना, दैट इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू 1 बाई एस माइनस आई ए प्लस 1 बाई एस प्लस आई ए by taking LCM, half into, that is the s plus ia plus s minus ia divided by s square plus a square, आई कट हो गया, that is equal to 1 by 2 2s by s square plus a square. Now 2 कट हो गया, that means is equal to s by s square plus a square. So Laplace of at का value s by s square plus a square. This is the Laplace at, so that is the a square. The s by s square plus a square. This is Laplace transformation of cos function. Similarly, Laplace transformation of sine function. Similarly, same concept will come. Similarly, ft is equal to, suppose given sine at e to the power I at minus e to the power minus I at divided by 2i. So that is Laplace of ft, Laplace of sine at is equal to 0 to infinity e to the minus at sine at dt. In the place of sine at, you have to put e to the power minus I, e to the power I at minus e to the power minus I at divided by 2i. 1 by 2i taking common, 0 to infinity, that is this into this the comes, and power add हो जाएगा, base same है. Similarly this into this, similarly this comes, so s minus ia minus taking common, similarly s plus ia minus taking common. So इनका इंटीग्रेशन होगा 1 by s minus ia minus 1 by s plus ia, then taking LCM लेने से क्या होता है ना, s प्लस आई ए माइनस एस माइनस आई ए, तो एस एस कट हो जाएगा, तो दैट इज 2i 1 by 2i 2i a, 2i कट हो गया, a by s square plus s, a by s square plus s. So Laplace of sin at is equal to a by a square plus a square. This is the concept. So different Laplace concept. Okay, how to find out and who कैसे हम निकाला अभी हो गया. तो that is the derivation by the concept of Laplace transformation. Many concept also. ये है Laplace transformation कुछ function का value, Laplace value. Similarly, we can find out also Laplace transformation piecewise continuous function का value. Piecewise continuous function का कैसे Laplace निकाल सकते उसका भी हम पढ़ेंगे. और after that we will discuss in next video general property of Laplace transformation, linearity property, that a different property we can discuss in next video. In next video, this is most important nowadays. That is also in BSc level, Btech level, in graduate degree level एग्जामिनेशन पर्पज यूजेस है. और जो पढ़ाई करते हैं गेट नेट ओके मैट के लिए वो प्रिपरेशन में ये आता है. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर Laplace transformation. This is vital. So please subscribe. If you are not subscribed till now, please subscribe and giving more comments for better video. Thank you very much.